What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Pixel 9 Pro Fold, you know, the folding phone from Pixel is expensive. It costs like $1,800. If you break that inner display, I hope you have insurance on it because it gets terribly expensive. It's basically almost the cost of the phone. If you break that inner display, it's about $1,200 as a repair part. That's just the part. It's not including labor or anything like that. It says while the Pixel 9 Pro Fold costs the same as the regular Pixel Fold at $1799, the same cannot be said of the inner screen, which includes the metal frame and hinge. But every other component rests on, it goes from $899 to now $1,199. They also go on to say that iFixit has a step-by-step replacement guide with 199 steps and a 3 to 4 hour completion estimate. The outer screen is $190, which is a $30 increase, while there's the $67 base battery and $67 flip battery. Incredibly expensive. Don't break this. If you do have insurance, it's still very important to get the insurance on these folding phones. Now we know One UI 7.0 is potentially launching next week or later, like the very end of this week here in America and Korea and a few other parts of the world for the Galaxy S24 series. Now with One UI 7.0, some new AI features are supposed to launch with it, but it looks like Samsung's gonna hold on to those AI features with all their might until the S25 launches. We know this because Chun has put out a tweet saying most upcoming Galaxy AI features will be implemented on the 7.1 update instead of the 7.0. Examples are AI summary, AI emoji, and yes, the official beta update is ready to roll out next week. Now, this doesn't surprise me at all, them holding back features so that it launches with the S25, so that when you buy the S25, you're like, oh shoot, I've got One UI 7.1 and all these cool AI features. I have to get that phone. Obviously, these features most likely will also launch a month or two or three later with the other phones such as the S24, Z Fold 6, phones like that. So definitely, I wouldn't be that worried about it. You're just gonna get it a month or two or three later if you have one of the newer phones on the market. Yes, I have a cold, so if my voice sounds a little off, I have a cold. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.